I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a signed in Apple ID and a reliable Wi-Fi connection before you start. Once ready, open Settings and tap your name at the top. This is where iCloud settings live. Make sure your device has at least 20% battery or is plugged in so the sync won't pause. Now tap iCloud and look for the app labeled Photos or Music, depending on the library you want to sync. This begins the actionable pathway into library sync options. Once in iCloud, toggle the Photos or Music switch on. This tells iCloud to manage that library. For Photos, you can choose iCloud Photos and then pick Optimize iPhone storage if you need space. This stores originals in iCloud and smaller versions on the device. For Music, enable Sync Library so playlists and tracks match across devices. Make sure Apple Music is active if you rely on that service. These settings upload and reconcile. After enabling, give the library time to upload. Larger libraries take longer and may run overnight. You can check upload progress in the Photos app under Albums or in Music by looking for cloud icons. If syncing stalls, reboot your iPhone and toggle the library switch off and on. This refresh often resolves stuck transfers. Also verify iCloud storage. If space is full, free up room or upgrade your plan so new items can upload successfully and maintain sync across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.